Welcome to everyone out there. This is Ellie Shells. Today I'm going to show you the process of painting a cartoon parrot and my personal technique. This is part 2 of how to paint a parrot series. To start from the beginning, please see the link below for part 1. For step 3, we will be using our number 3 angular shader brush. With this brush, we will be applying shadow tones to our painting. These are Gallery London natural bristle brushes for artists and hobbyists. We will start off by mixing our shadow color. Mix red, yellow, and blue to achieve a nice warm brown. Dip your brush in water to create a wash of transparent color. You can see the way your paint mix will look by doing a test stroke on a scrap piece of paper. I take my number 3 angular shader brush and apply a dark shade to all of the areas light will not reach. Our light source is coming from the top right corner of our painting. Applying a warm dark tone to our shadow areas gives our painting a new level of depth and dimension. Once we have our shadows down, we will let this dry and we will have completed the third step in painting the parrot. In future installments, I will be moving on to volume building, highlighting, texture, and backgrounds, using all of the brushes in our set. If you want a chance to win a set of the Gallery London natural bristle brushes I'm using in this painting, you can go to thegallerylondon.org. The Gallery London brushes are available globally to all artists and hobbyists. Thank you for watching and have a